Hi everyone, this is Shehzad and you are watching Shehzad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix there was a problem with your request in 2024 on Instagram. So guys, if you are facing this type of problem, you can see this video till end and fix your problem. So go back, and after going it, you can open your Instagram app. Firstly, open it. Here you can see username and password, so enter your username here, or you can type on forgot password, tap on it, wait for a few seconds, and here you can see find your account, enter your email or username. So if you don't have any email, or if you forgot your email, just simply type or enter here your username. So I am entering the username. Here you can see tap on continue, wait for a few seconds, and here you can see tap on password. If you don't have any password, or if you forget your password, tap on forget password, and here you can see your number. So get code via Instagram notification, get code or link via SMS. So just simply tap on this and tap on continue. Wait for we sent a message with a link, so wait for a few seconds, and you can get your link or Instagram link on your provided number and log in your Instagram and fix your problem. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more latest tech videos. Thanks for watching.